Do your shoes smell bad? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you easy, affordable, and effective ways to eliminate shoe odor using items you probably already have at home. No need for expensive products. These DIY solutions will leave your shoes smelling fresh and clean in no time. Let's get started. 2. Why do shoes smell bad? Have you ever wondered why your shoes start to smell over time? The main culprit is bacteria that thrive in warm, moist environments. When your feet sweat and your shoes don't get enough ventilation, it creates the perfect breeding ground for these bacteria. As they break down sweat and dead skin cells, they release unpleasant odors that linger in your shoes. But don't worry, there are simple ways to tackle this problem and keep your shoes smelling fresh. Let's move on to the DIY solutions. 3. DIY methods to remove shoe odor. Now, let's dive into the best DIY methods to eliminate shoe odor using everyday household items. These hacks are simple, effective, and budget-friendly. Method 1. Baking soda. Sprinkle baking soda inside your shoes and leave it overnight. Shake it out in the morning for odor-free shoes. Why it works. Baking soda absorbs moisture and neutralizes odors, making it a powerful natural deodorizer. Method 2. Lemon peels. Place fresh lemon or orange peels inside your shoes and leave them overnight. The citrus oils will neutralize bad smells and leave your shoes smelling fresh. Bonus tip: this method also adds a light, refreshing scent to your shoes. Method 3. Alcohol spray. Mix rubbing alcohol and water in a spray bottle. Spray the inside of your shoes and let them dry completely. Why it works. Alcohol kills bacteria that cause odors, while helping the moisture inside your shoes evaporate faster. Method 4. Tea bags. Place used, dry tea bags inside the shoes for a few hours. They'll absorb the moisture and odor, leaving your shoes fresher. Pro tip: choose tea bags with strong scents, like mint or chai, for an added fresh aroma. Method 5. Freezing shoes. Seal your shoes in a plastic bag and put them in the freezer overnight. The cold temperature will kill odor-causing bacteria. Why it works. Freezing inhibits bacterial growth, which eliminates the source of the odor. Just make sure to let your shoes thaw before wearing them. Method 6. Essential oils. Drop a few drops of tea tree or lavender essential oil on a cotton ball. Place it inside your shoes and leave it overnight. Why it works. Essential oils are naturally antibacterial and leave a pleasant fragrance behind. Method 7. Toothpaste. Apply a small amount of toothpaste to a toothbrush or cloth. Scrub the inside of your shoes, focusing on areas with stains or strong odors. Leave it to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, then wipe it off with a damp cloth. Why it works. Toothpaste contains mild abrasives that help scrub away dirt and odor-causing bacteria. It also leaves a fresh, minty scent behind. This method is especially useful for sneakers or other fabric shoes with stubborn smells or stains. Try one or a combination of these methods to get rid of unpleasant shoe odors. Up next, let's explore some tips to prevent this problem in the first place. 4. Preventive tips. Now that you know how to remove odors from your shoes, let's talk about how to prevent them from coming back. Follow these simple tips to keep your shoes fresh and odor-free. Always wear socks. Socks help absorb sweat and reduce direct contact between your feet and the insides of your shoes. For the best results, choose moisture-wicking socks. Alternate wet shoe pairs. Avoid wearing the same pair of wet shoes 2 days in a row. This gives them time to air out and dry completely, preventing moisture buildup. Use foot powder. Apply foot powder or talcum powder to your feet before putting on your shoes. This helps keep your feet dry and prevents bacteria from thriving. By following these preventive measures, you can keep your shoes smelling fresh and avoid the hassle of dealing with bad odors in the future. Thanks for watching. I hope these DIY methods help keep your shoes fresh and odor-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, leave a comment below and let me know which method worked best for you. Stay tuned for more amazing content on this channel. We have plenty of videos coming up on finance, education, health, Pets, weight loss, nutrition, fitness, workouts, shopping tips, saving money, making money, affiliate programs, software reviews, how-to guides, and much more. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. See you in the next one.